Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in previous video we saw that the spinner and its event. So in this video we will see that the autocomplete text view and its event. So Android autocomplete text view complete the word based on the reserved words. So no need to write all the characters of the word. Android autocomplete text view is an editable text field. It displays a list of suggestions in a drop-down menu from which user can select only one suggestion or a value. So this is the subclass of edit text class. So let's see one example. Here we create a new project. So file, new project. Select the empty activity, next. So my project name is that autocomplete text view demo. Click finish. So this is a new project. So this is your XML file and this is Kotlin file. So see here in this design view, here we drag and drop the autocomplete text view. So see here in text section, see here autocomplete text view. So here we drag and drop. So set the ID. See here autocomplete text view. Okay. So here we keep this as a by default. So here set the text color and the text size. So the text size is the 30 dp and the text color, for example, red. This is the text view, hello world. So set the attributes of text view. So see here text color is, for example, blue color. Then text size, set 30 dp and see the ID of this text view is that text view. So these are the two components. So here we click this infer constraint. So these two components are adjusted. So see here in code sections, this is text view and this is the autocomplete text view. So going to this Kotlin file, declare some variables. So this is a let int var auto text. So this is a auto text autocomplete text view. Again let init var simple text view. This is a text view. So map these two views to this variable. So auto text is equal to, by using the find view by id function, so r dot id dot autocomplete text view. Same here, txt equal to find view by id r dot id dot, this is a text view. So here we create one array. So val al equal to array of. So pass here the some strings. So here we use some programming languages name, for example Android, Python, Java, Kotlin. So create the object of a adapter. So see here autotext dot adapter is equal to array adapter. So this is a generic string. So your data type is that the string, and pass here the some parameters. So this is a current application context, this, then android dot r dot layout dot simple drop down item line, comma your array name. So array name is that the AL. So see here, this is an error, val cannot be reassigned. So here we create the separate object of an adapter. So see here we declare the one variable, let init var ad equal to array adapter string, and here we create the object of a ad separately, ad equal to array adapter. So see this comma android dot r dot layout dot simple drop down item one line and AL, and set this adapter object to this autocomplete text view. So auto text dot a function is that set adapter AD. So like this way we remove this error. So run this code, we test the strings are coming in autocomplete text view or not. So see here, let run this code. So see, this is the autocomplete text view and this is a hello world. So if you click this or we remove this text, so see here, if you type the Android, so see here, this is my suggestion Android. Same here, if you type PYTH, so see here, this is a Python. JA, so see here, if you click this is Java. KO, click this is the Kotlin. So suggestion is appear by the second character. So if you want to change this suggestion, so use the threshold function. So see here, auto text dot threshold is equal to 2. So save these changes, again test this code. So see here, we remove this text. So threshold is that the 2. So here 1, 2. So if you type the second character, then this suggestion is appear Android. So see here, if threshold is that the 4, save these changes, again run main activity. So see here, so remove this text. So see here, 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4th character, then they suggest the text. Okay, so by using this threshold, the suggestion string by the number of characters. So if you enter the 4 characters, then they suggest the string. By default is that the 2. So if you type the second character, then they suggest the string. So now here we add some event to this autocomplete text view. So auto text dot add text change listener object. So your function is that the text watcher. So see, there is an error. So here we override some methods. So press the control space bar and see here these 3 methods: after text change, before text change, on text change. So override these 3 methods: after text change, then before text change, then on text change. So see here, errors here gone. So these 3 methods are overridden. So use any one of them. So this method is work after you type the text. So this is work before your text, and this is work on text change. So here we use this method on text change. So here we remove this to do function. So here this is your the text view, txt dot text is equal to autotext dot text. So autotext text is set to this text view text. So here we remove this to do line, same here remove this function. So going to this activity main.xml and set the autocomplete text view width is that you are the match parent. So this is a match parent width. Now here we test this code. So run main activity. So here we remove this text. So for example, so your threshold is that the 4, so type the 4 character, then see this is your the suggestion Android. So if we click this, then see here on text view, here we change the text. So in this array we add some more strings. So for example ABC, then A D R E, then A D G T, then A D G T Y H J, and for example your threshold is that the 2. So this is ABC is in small case and this Android is also small case. So many strings are starting with the alphabet A. So see here again we test this code, run main activity. So this event is happen when you change your the text. So here we remove this string, and if you type the A and then D, so see here A and D, there are total 3 strings, so they give the 3 suggestions. Then type the G, then C only shows the 2 suggestions, then T and then the Y. So see here we select this string. Same here if you remove this string, then they also show these kinds of suggestions. So this is a autocomplete text view. So students, test this code on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.